Want to become a content machine? Well, you will if you learn how to use Jasper Templates. Our entire marketing team has used the paid version of Jasper for the last 6 months, and after trying hundreds of templates, these are the 7 that are the most versatile and have made the biggest difference in our quality of work and productivity. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Jasper AI templates are like Mad Libs mixed with a recipe book for any type of written content you can think of. All you have to do is fill in the blanks and Jasper will help you cook something up. Templates make the prompt writing process simple. And after we show you Jasper's rockstar templates, I'll explain how you can make your own. The first template is one of our favorites for marketing and advertising because it creates engaging Google ad headlines and descriptions. And to be successful, you need to test a bunch of ads and then put money behind the winning ones. If you don't have a business to advertise yet, worry not. Jasper has templates for brand development and website copy, but we already created our website with an AI website builder, so we're gonna get straight to the ads. I'm asking Jasper to create a Google ad for a client that sells point of sale systems, which businesses use to accept and track customer payments. Let's say you're a B2B that sells to other companies. That means when we choose the tone, we want it to be more professional than a consumer brand would be. I inserted the company name Triangle POS Solutions, then put customizable, affordable, and reliable point of sale systems for businesses of all sizes, followed by a professional tone of voice. You can customize the tone based on your audience demographics and make them as specific as you need to. We got some really solid outputs here, and now I can mix and match headings and descriptions for my A/B tests. For example, I could use modernize your point of sale as my title and scale your business with customizable POS solutions from Triangle for the description. To get more engaging headings, try switching the tone to persuasive. And if you want the heading text to touch on your customers' pain points, you can write that into the template. A lot of people ask if paying for Jasper is worth it when ChatGPT and Bard exist for free, but it really just depends on whether you find the templates useful. We compare the results of ChatGPT versus Jasper in this video linked in the description. And subscribe and hit the bell for upcoming videos on all things AI. By the way, if you haven't signed up for Jasper yet, there's a link in the description below to try it for free for 7 days. Moving on. If you want to rank on Google, the one-shot blog post template is the way to go. How does that Eminem song go again? You only get one shot, do not miss your chance to create a blog post? I'm pretty sure those are the lyrics. Most people still use Google search, so blogs are still one of the best ways to get customers without paying for ads. And in a bit, we'll show you how to turn blogs into video scripts. Back to the template, let's say I want a listicle article of the top 10 reasons you need to hire a marketing agency if you're in the tech industry. I'm asking for an engaging tone, and since new startups are looking to get more traction, I'm putting the intended audience as technology startups. By the way, if you want specific points to be mentioned, just put that in the template. But let's keep it simple to see what Jasper can do. The results have all of the elements of an engaging blog with a ton of SEO potential. I like the intro because of how quickly it connects with the audience, and the list it generated had a focus on the expertise and objectivity of marketing teams, plus lesser known things like expert marketing research and analysis capabilities. Like all AI generations, it does need editing. I have Jasper set to create 5 variations, so I always take a look at each version and usually combine the best pieces. Honestly, the meat of the blog is there and it won't be too hard to clean up and add a personal flair. And of course, you can always open the output in a Jasper document, highlight the text, click Ask Jasper, and have it improve the writing, change the tone or length, and more. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions so far, and give this video a thumbs up. Jasper also has a listicle template that's similar to this one, but it is a bit more customizable because it lets you choose the number of paragraphs you want it to generate. For this example, I would go to the blog post topic ideas template. I need a blog about the best foods to eat during the day so you can sleep better at night, and to let the audience know that we sell all of them at my food company. I'll put this idea in the listicle template, and here I have my 7-point blog. When I run it through the one-shot blog template, it gives me an intro and conclusion as well. So play around with the templates and see which ones are most helpful. For your blog to actually drive traffic, it's gotta be search optimized, which brings me to this SEO template that writes search optimized titles and meta descriptions. By the way, this title and meta description will be super useful for the next step, so stay tuned. I'm gonna put my company name, ABC Marketing Agency, then use the title and blog intro from the previous template, insert the keyword tech marketing, and ask for an engaging tone. All the titles were pretty similar, so I opened my favorite one in a doc and asked Jasper to improve the writing until I got the results I wanted. I also did this with the descriptions because they felt a bit basic. After some fine tuning, I had my title and description to help me rank on Google. Pro tip, make a bunch of variations that you like equally, but that are different enough to A/B test. Speaking of testing, check out this video about how much time I saved when I used AI at work for a week for everything I possibly could. And don't forget to subscribe. On this channel, we teach you to create and work smarter, not harder. So think about it. What is a blog similar to? A YouTube video script. Say I wanted to create a new script for my career coaching brand that sells an educational course. I would use some or all of the YouTube templates like descriptions, hooks, intros, outlines, titles, and topic ideas. When you're starting a new channel, you want video ideas that can capture wider audiences, then to narrow down your niche based on which ones do well. If my course or coaching business primarily works with women, I can go into the YouTube video topic ideas template, ask for video topics related to how women can skyrocket their entrepreneurial careers, rank for keywords about entrepreneurship and female entrepreneurs with a thought-provoking tone. Taking an idea from the second generation, women in tech, breaking the stereotypes and securing success, I'm going into the video script outline template and generating an entire outline in the same tone of voice. You can even use the other YouTube templates to script the entire video or come up with hooks and titles like I mentioned before. For this part, I entered my title and tone, and I really like the hook, "Technology and the world is changing rapidly, yet women are still being left behind." It's a concern or experience that a lot of female entrepreneurs might have. Keep in mind that this tool works best for listicles and how-to videos, and that you'll still want to make edits before filming. And speaking of YouTube, if you want to see more from our YouTube channel, remember to subscribe and hit the bell. Once you've recorded and edited these video scripts, it's time to post short clips from them to Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, which all need captions. But with these Jasper caption templates, it's super easy. Let's say I need Instagram captions to publicize the opening of my new Etsy shop. So I'm gonna go into the photo post caption template. I gave it as much information as possible and asked it to create a caption announcing the opening of my new candle shop on Etsy. We create scents that don't trigger allergic reactions in people with scent sensitivity. You wanna be super specific here. Then I asked for a persuasive tone, and it created multiple engaging options complete with SEO optimized hashtags. I went to the TikTok video captions template and gave it the same prompt, but with an entertaining tone of voice because I want to market to a younger demographic. It also lets you add keywords, so I used candles, Etsy, and allergy friendly. I really like the third output, and I'm using the hashtags from the first output. These tools are an easy way to level up your content if you don't have a social media team. So if you want to try Jasper for free and support this channel, you can sign up with the link below. LinkedIn has been blowing up lately. It kind of feels like Facebook in the early days. And it's another great place to promote your personal brand or business for professionals, so I'm using the personal LinkedIn post template for the same Etsy shop. This feature is in beta right now, so it's still improving, but so far we found it really helpful. With the Etsy candle shop in mind, I'm putting the problem as companies don't want to spend money on useless corporate gifts, and a candle is useful and adds joy to your life. The solution is my new Etsy candle shop that sells the most giftable candles because they have clean scents made without the traditional perfuming ingredients that trigger allergic reactions. And we offer customized company branded labels. The additional info about my business is that after years of development, I created a formula free of irritants that cause allergic reactions to scented candles. And the intended audience is people who are allergic or sensitive to scents, as well as people who need to buy a gift for their employees. The call to action is that you can order 30 candles or more to get a 25% discount or 15% off one candle with code WORKGIFT. And here are the outputs. Even the emojis and hashtags are relevant. And as you get a better feel for your own brand voice, you can ask Jasper to memorize your tone for future posts too. All right, remember how I mentioned that you can create an entirely customized template for your specific needs? That's where the dynamic template comes in. This is a feature that works best for ultra-specific tasks and niche audience demographics. Say I write case studies for my marketing agency. I'd go into the template and ask it to create personalized case studies for each individual audience my company serves. Then I add things like the client's industry name, company description, challenges faced, strategies we use to help them, and the results. Once it creates my template, I'll fill in the specifics of each client I'm writing about. For a skincare brand we work with, I'd fill in retail for the industry name, skincare brand specializing in organic skincare products for all ages, and write that their marketing challenge is difficulties competing with large established established brands that mass produce and have lower prices. The strategy we used to combat this was using targeted and retargeted ads on social media, Facebook Marketplace, and Google Ads to viewers of similar products and to people who purchased organic products or searched organic skincare. And finally, I added the results our client achieved and their testimonial. Now I can edit it and put it in a document or visual case study template for my white paper, website, social media, and more. We're going to be demoing even more templates in future videos so you can level up your business and get more done in less time. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. If you still haven't signed up for Jasper, remember to use our link in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.